This is first problem on the quiz, 3x over 1. Let's find the pen, see where it's at. It's right here. Simple problem. What's on the bottom? 3, an x, and a 6. Let's give everybody a 3x and a 6. Give everybody a 3x and a 6. Then you know you can bam, bam the x, bam the 3, bam the 6. You have 3 times 6 times 3, that should be 9 times 6 is 54, minus x times 6, which should be 6x, equals 3x. This is a linear equation because you know your degree is 1. So letters left, numbers right. Cross the bridge, change the sign. Minus 9x equals negative 54. I never divide by a negative sign because I worry about the inequality. Let me go over here and scroll down a little bit. And divide both sides by 9. Both sides by 9. X equals 6. No big deal for that one. This is the one that gave people a little trouble. You could factor out a 2 here, but say you get stuck. It's 2t minus 4. Give him a 4t minus 1. Give him the same thing on this side. It should become 2t minus 4. This should become 4t minus 1. A little messy. Kill that, bam bam. Now we're going to kill this and kill that. Rewrite what you have. I have 2t minus 4. 6t plus 7 equals 3t plus 8. 4t minus 1. Right? Now, dance, fall. That becomes 12t squared minus 14t. Sorry, that should be a what? Plus t, because a positive times a positive is a positive. Negative 24t minus 28. You're through with this guy right here. Now, dance this side. 12t squared minus 3t plus 32t minus 8. First times first. So you got, he's got to dance with him. He's got to dance with him. 8 dances with him. 8 dances with him. Notice something very careful. It's quadratic, but if you notice, this side right here has a what? 12t. So I'm going to kill that guy. This guy right here has a 12t. So I'm going to kill both of those guys. So that's what makes that nice, because now that goes away. Right there. Those guys kill each other. Now go back to the pencil. This guy says letters left, numbers right. Change this pen color back to black. Actually, let's do something here first. Let's get those guys. That's minus 10t minus 28 equals 29t minus 8. Letters left, numbers right. 10t minus 29t equals minus 8 plus 28. That should turn out to be 20. This should be minus 29t. You know, I always change the signs first because it's going to prevent that inequality problem later. We're going to divide, this is 39. Now we're going to divide both sides by 39. Bam bam. T equals minus 20 over 39. That's horrible. Let's erase that a little bit. Could use a little harder eraser, but that's okay. Get that here, get that hardness. Sorry. There we go. Go back to my pencil. So that should give me minus 20 over 39. All the same thing. This problem right here says factoring. You know it's quadratic. Who comes across the bridge? Everybody, change the sign right there. Do you love me? Yes. Zoom, 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 zoom. X, X, minus. Because I see one anywhere you see one. It doesn't matter. So now him touch last becomes plus. Tree that 6. That becomes 1 times 6. 2 times 3. Minus, minus, plus, plus. That becomes a 5. That becomes a 1. You're trying to get a 5, negative 5. So we're going to switch these two values. That becomes 6. That becomes plus 1 equals 0. Set them both equal to 0. That gives me x minus 6 equals 0. So x equals 6. X plus 1 equals 0. So x equals minus 1. That's your two solutions. You gotta go practice factoring. Let's take care of that one. So I'm going to save this guy. I'm going to go away for just a second. Let me save this guy.